Take a ride in the 2011 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, tire pressure monitoring system, cruise control, cargo cover. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.